We are going to talk about the European Central Bank's latest statements that their up-and-coming digital currency, their central bank digital currency, is going to be incredible for EU citizens, and that the European Union, check this out, the ECB is saying the European Union has no interest whatsoever in collecting citizens' data. They have no interest in surveilling citizens. They just want you to install this digital wallet and to hold your euro digital currency on that digital wallet, but that's it. They're not going to surveil you. They're not going to control you. None of that stuff, guys. The European Union is giving us their absolute word. They're giving us their word. They have no interest in monitoring and surveilling citizens once they install the digital wallet and the digital app to hold your digital euros. All right, guys? So no need to panic. We can always trust the European Union. They never, ever, ever lie. And they absolutely do not want to surveil and control their citizens. Here is the meme of the day, speaking of power. Democrat, neoliberal power. Before and after. Nancy Pelosi, before alcohol, after alcohol. Andrew Gillum, the guy that ran against DeSantis. Remember this. Many people don't talk about this, but this guy was in a really, really close race for governor of Florida, and he was running against DeSantis, the awesome governor in Florida who's doing a great job. This guy came close to winning. Anyway, before meth and after meth, and we all know what happened to him, that he was in a hotel room with male prostitutes and just as high as can be, and you guys can look up the story. Thank God Florida got DeSantis. Boy, did they dodge a bullet. Boy, did they dodge a bullet there with Gillum. And then, of course, you have the famous Hunter, before crack and after crack. And to top it all off, you have Cuomo, big brother Cuomo, Andrew Cuomo, before murder and sexual assault, after murder and sexual assault. And I'm sure they're referencing the thousands upon thousands of people that died at nursing homes at the hands of Cuomo, who got an Emmy for his work and a lucrative book deal, which I'm sure no one has read his book, but he still got the cash. 5 million to be precise. Here is the story from Cointelegraph. Digital euro offers better privacy protections than private stablecoins, the ECB officials say. Unlike private companies, the ECB, this is the most important part, has no commercial interest in monetizing users' data, the ECB executive board member argued. The European Central Bank executive board member Fabio Panetta has argued that a digital euro offers superior privacy protections than privately issued stablecoins. Yes, because government technology is always superior, right? Always superior than private sector companies working on this stuff or open source. Right. Government is always better than open source, which has thousands and thousands and thousands of developers and programmers pitching in to make sure it's secure. No. The EU, the very competent European Union that does everything with pure professionalism and never screws up, they're going to build a very secure and very private digital currency. Okay. We are not like private companies, the board member told the Financial Times. We have no commercial interest in storing, managing, and monetizing the data of users. Okay. You don't have any interest in monetizing, managing, storing? Really? Really? Taxes is not monetization? The ECB official also confirmed that the European Central Bank has carried out pilots testing offline payments for small amounts in which no data is recorded outside the wallets of payer and payee. Yeah, I'm sure. If the central bank gets involved in digital payments, privacy is going to be better protected. The payment will go through, but nobody in the payment chain would have access to all the information except the European Union and all the people at Brussels, right? And hackers as well. But it's okay. Outside of everyone at Brussels, everyone at the European Union headquarters, all these people, and the hackers, no one else will have access to your wallet. No one else. Ursula von der Leyen, Michelle. They'll be able to turn your wallet on and off if you do bad things, right? But outside of that, don't worry about it. Christine Lagarde, convicted criminal in France, Christine Lagarde, who heads the ECB. She'll have access to all your money, but outside of her, no one else. No one else. And the hackers. The hackers will have access to your money because, well, it's going to be an EU technology. And EU technology, they're very safe, very, very well coded. Those EU people that work at the European Union are known to be the best coders in the world, much better than open source projects. Panetta's comments appear intended to placate popular concerns regarding how data will be collected and handled when using central bank issued digital currencies, with the ECB's most recent public consultation of CBDC revealing the privacy of payments to be the highest ranking concern among more than 8,000 respondents. After the findings from the consultation were published in January, Panetta penned a letter to the chair of the Committee of Economic and Monetary Affairs, emphasizing the protection of privacy as a key priority moving forward so that the digital euro can help maintain trust in payments in the digital age. A key priority is the protection of privacy, which means that the EU will have access to all your finances. And keep in mind, it's going to be a centralized cryptocurrency, a centralized digital currency, which means that they'll be able to turn it off, turn it on when they want. They'll be able to put time limits on when you can spend the money. They'll be able to do all kinds of things to your personal account, right? Post something bad about the European Union, money's gone. Didn't pay your parking ticket? We'll just take that. We'll just take the money. Don't worry about it. You don't need to worry about anything. They'll just go in there and take it. You'll get money all right, but you'll have 2 months to spend it. Why? Because those are going to be the rules that the EU puts on you. If a country steps out of line, well, then the ECB is going to say, okay, you guys are stepping out of line. You're not voting the way we want. We're going to take the wallets of all your citizens and we're going to push it to zero. Zero. Digital currency. Christine Lagarde is just going to be pressing buttons. She's going to be there like just pressing buttons, literally, of countries, wiping them out, wiping people's savings out, wiping their salaries out. This is, man, you have to be freaking crazy to want a euro digital currency. The European Union has gone into countries' bank accounts and they've wiped them out already without the need for a digital currency. What do you think they're going to do with a digital currency? What do you think they're going to do with the power of having everybody's digital wallet one keystroke away? No way. No thank you. No thank you, guys. We already have our digital currencies. We already have our way forward. Decentralized finance, cryptocurrency, that's our way forward. We don't need the central banks. No thank you. No thank you. We don't need it. All right, guys. That's the video. Go to the Durant shop, 10% off all merchandise when you use the code Real News. You'll find all the links down below. Take care.